So as you can see, guys, we're still at Desti Marine down at Hamble Point Marina. They've done all their work to the fiberglass and everything, and now it's my turn. Let's get the funk on. So, as you can see, there's no staining here, there's no black, there's no, it's all quite clean. So a quick scuff with 40 grit, paint it, that's all I need to do there. I can put the new headline up. So really pleased with that turnout. So now we've dismantled everything and got it where we want it. We're going to cover everything up with the polythene sheeting just to protect all the woodwork so that we can then paint all the fiberglass and seal it. So I'm painting everything with Belgian locker paint. There you go. It's Hempel Belgian locker paint. Stinks, but it seals all the fiberglass. So any smoke residue or anything like that, it's just going to get sealed. So the boat doesn't smell of smoke anymore, in theory. And it just brightens it all up as well, which is nice. And it makes the new fiberglass mould in with the old. And it just gives it a uniform colour. So it's going to get 2 coats of this. You can see it all after 2 coats, ready, all sealed. So my GoPro died, so I haven't recorded the last few hours because I forgot to even look. But basically, you can see everything's been painted. That's bilge paint, so it's really tough, durable, stain, stink resistant. And now over this side, so over here, let me turn the camera around. Oh well, I'll do it that way. You can see I've got a foam lining on here, very similar to what I did with Juliet, just to soften off the edges. And then I will put white colour on, which I've got on here, as you can see. And then I've just got the trim ready for the ceiling to go on as well. So yeah, so she's come along nicely in the last couple of days. The windows are just placed, they're not actually in. There's trim to go around here yet, which will tidy it up. It's got the new perspex in, a couple of little scratches in it, but we'll polish them out once the boat's finished. It's probably going to get a few more while it's being worked on. So yeah, so we're on the right side of it now. We're building rather than destructing. destroying, dismantling. That's the one. Right, onwards and upwards. So here we are, guys. This is she's dusty, dirty, and nowhere near finished. But we've got the stuff up here. This has got a bit of foam behind it. You've seen the photos in the other videos, and all the way along. This side, the first lot of this looks really different in real life to what's on camera. That's colour difference in natural light isn't there. So yeah, so there you go. So that's all that there. Obviously all the ceiling's been painted. All this wiring's going to be changed. And on this side you can see what we've done, or I've done. So it's all sealed. Leatherette's been put back in. Windows are in place but not fixed. They're just there. Keep the dust out as much as possible. Yeah, boat now smells of paint and not smoke, which is rather nice. I've started sanding this. As you can see here, there's still some scorching. I don't know how far I'm going to get with that. I might actually just put new veneer on there. I've got some, so I might just put new veneer on there. Yeah, keep that done. Here we're still in the marina at the moment, in Destiny Marine, and yeah, we're inside. I'm waiting for new hatches. I've bought 3 new hatches. They're putting them in for me, and then they will wheel us outside. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all.